This is the site of the Hathras stampede. On July 2nd, the religious event turned into a medical emergency, killing over 120 people and overwhelming the district's public healthcare system. This is how it all began.
बहुत दुखद मंजर था। लोगों को, बच्चों को चीखते पुकारते देखते मैं हॉस्पिटल पे काफी भीड़ लगी हुई थी। जितना स्टाफ नहीं था उससे ज्यादा डेड बॉडी और घायल लोग थे।
We are at the Sikandra Rao Community Health Center (CHC) and we are in front of the trauma center. This place is 6 to 8 kilometers away from the Hathras incident site. We will just take a look at what the interiors look like, because this is the aftermath. This is the post-mortem of the incident. This is what the interior of the trauma center looks like. This is where all the patients were brought in.
30 minutes drive away, we reach the second nearest trauma center to the incident.
We are at the trauma center, which is on the border, or which is the first trauma center on the border of Aligarh and Hathras. It is quite near to the stampede site, which killed many people. However, what we discovered was quite shocking. When we walked into the trauma, there were only 4 people. One of them was a junior doctor, a contractual doctor who has just joined. No one was in their uniform. The nursing staff, when we walked in, we saw them sleeping on the bed. The ICU is practically non-functional. We checked the registers to see how many patients come in. So the doctor on duty told us that there are only 2 doctors. They do not have the full facilities that a trauma center should have. On the night of 2nd July, they were not on duty. This trauma center was not utilized to manage the inflow of patients, and instead many patients were sent further into Aligarh and other districts further away. It was an unusual day for all of you, I am sure. तो आपके मेडिकल स्टाफ ने किस तरीके से इस चीज को कोप किया?
मैम, हम लोग तो ये समझ लीजिए कि एक हम लोग कोरोना में जिस तरीके से खड़े रहे थे, तो हम लोगों के तो कंधे मजबूत इतने हो गए हैं, कोरोना ने इस तरीके से करा दिया है। तो मैम वही उसी फॉर्म में आ गए थे सब, कि अब तो बस सिर्फ खाली जो मतलब जो अपना घर बार सब छोड़ के कैंपस में जो थे वो भी आ गए थे, कि बस किसी तरीके से सबकी लाइफ सेव हो रही है। मैम
आप बताइए कैसा नजारा था?
बहुत दुखद मंजर था। मासूम बच्चों की जान निकल रही थी।
तो एम्बुलेंस को हॉस्पिटल तक पहुंचने में दिक्कत हुई?
हाँ, एम्बुलेंस को पहुंचने में काफी समय लगा है। यहाँ से लगभग 1 किलोमीटर तक एम्बुलेंस फंस गई है।
उसका कारण?
जाम। बाबा के स्पेशल सेवेदारों ने ये रोड जाम किया हुआ था। काफी लोग भीड़ भाड़ थी और बच्चों को कोई नजरअंदाज करते हुए लोग निकल रहे थे। ये कह रहे थे कि ये झाड़ फूंक से ठीक हो जाएंगे, और उनको जो है ये नहीं कोई कहने वाला था कि ये बच्चा जान से जा रहा है। बुजुर्ग लोगों की जान निकल रही थी। जो चीज वैज्ञानिक तौर से फेल है, उसको भी बाबा की कृपा बता करके लोगों की जान को खतरा बना रही थी।
This incident also revealed people's attitudes towards health and superstition. The question is, why do people seek magical cures from godmen and place their faith in them?
The medical staff tells us that on the evening of 2nd July, they were completely unprepared to tackle the enormity of the crisis triggered by the Hathras stampede. They had to pile up bodies together because of lack of stretchers and beds. There was no communication with the nearest trauma center, which could have divided their load. It is unfortunate that in India, over 100 people have to die for us to question the strength of our public healthcare system. This is Somi Das with Stephen Thomas reporting for Health on Air.